Hi, this is Nellie Deutsch. Many of you have asked, how do I add maps? I'm going to show you how by going into this Moodle site, clicking on the admin, going to go into JavaScript, believe it or not, because that's involved. So I'm going to search for that, and notice I'm going to enable Ajax. All right, now notice what it says here. It's connected, let's scroll down here, to this area over here, which is your API v3 key for the location. That means that when you click on someone's IP, you can find out where they're located. And not only you, but other teachers can do it with their students as well. So it's a neat little feature that's available on the Moodle. You're going to have to create an account in the Google Developers workspace. It doesn't cost anything. I can help you with that. Let me know if that interests you. For now, just click on the developers.google.org. Let's go there now. Got a few accounts. It'll take you here. Notice we're talking about Maps JavaScript API. Go to your console. Okay, you should create one. Let's do that. Click on the go to console. Then that's taken to yours. I'm going to go to my account, which is over here. As I said, I've got a few of them. So I'm going to go to my project. You need to create a project for your Moodle site. So this is the one, online courses for free. So it took me directly there. Next, I'm going to scroll down here until I get to Maps JavaScript API. Click on that. You need to enable it, just like you need everything else that you want from Google. So click on Enable, and that'll get things moving. Next, since you've already created an API for your Moodle site, or other site, doesn't have to be Moodle, you need to verify your account, of course. So next I'm going to go to credentials because I want to copy the credentials for this. Click on API credentials. Notice the credential is over here. I just need to copy it. Going to copy it. Go into my Moodle site. This is what I copy here. Next, I'm going to save it. Next, I'm going to scroll down until I can save it, save changes. Next, I'm going to go to my profile over here at the top right. Scroll down until I get to my IP. Click on the IP over here. There it is. Just want to make sure that you get the right API credentials. So I'm going to take you back here and show you which one. You need to create an API key if you don't already have one. You do it by going to create credentials. It's not enough to have your client IDs. For authentication, you need a separate API. So make sure that you get that and then you just copy it. And that's it. Hope this has been of help. And you get to use the maps on your Moodle site. Have a great day, and notice there are a lot of things that you can do with the map. Okay, so feel free to play around with it and have a good time. Notice there's also the Geo plugin that you can also connect to. Bye for now.